yellow. In heaven. 6, 7. It's for Hallie.
Who was Hallie?
My elf.
Hey. What's the big old deal, y'all? It's your boy Chef Quell. Today is day 4 of Vlogmas.
Carly.
Hey, day 4 of Vlogmas. Ugh, red tongue. Anyway, all right, y'all. Today is day 4 of Vlogmas. We have a really cool day set up, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I left from school already.
Hey. What's up? Welcome back to Vlogmas. It's your boy Chef Quell and Chicken Butt Harley. And we...
No, you're the chicken butt.
Anyway, we are having fun today, y'all. Today we're making hot chocolate bombs. My name is Chef Quell, so I gotta cook something, bruh.
What's up, y'all? So right now we're gonna get some stuff for the cook, but right now we're getting potato wedgies.
We do need whipped cream for the hot cocoa, baby. She got her potato wedges. She's happy. Look at that hair.
It came out the jacket and all.
Exactly. All right, chat. Oh, I said what I said, y'all. I gotta cook something. Right? All right, y'all. So it's time. So what we're gonna do? We are gonna start the cocoa bombs cracking. So now we got this giant chocolate bar.
Ginormous. Oh. Then we're gonna break it in pieces.
We gotta break it up into small pieces like this, you guys. Okay? Good job, Greg.
Can I take a bite of it?
Huh?
Can I take a bite of it?
Nah, you're done with sweets. Right? After you make a mess, Hardy, what you supposed to do with it?
Clean it up, baby. So right now, we're gonna we broke this a piece already.
No, what are y'all making?
We're making hot chocolate bombs.
From scratch.
Huh?
Dance break. Hey, hey.
She don't want to have a dance battle with me.
Oh yeah, I do.
You don't want that smoke with me.
Crazy on you.
Oh, hey, quick walk. Hey.
Your turn. Dad doesn't like me because you do that every morning.
She said get some new tricks, bruh.
The seawalk is
Two-step
official. That was the seawalk. Look
Hey.
at you. Is you getting sturdy?
They dancing to no music, y'all.
Exactly. Excuse us. I'm tripping. Y'all know we do this too much, in other words.
You guys ever have these?
Yes, follow up if you have.
What's y'all favorite kind of chips? Tell us.
I like extra hot Cheetos, boy.
Me too.
I like lemon.
Huh?
Lemon.
Okay, you guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix the cocoa powder. We're gonna add a little bit of sugar, not too much, okay? 3 tablespoons.
Okay.
Fill it up. 1. 2. All right, last one.
3.
Hold up, dang, girl.
That was like 6
So
tablespoons.
you ain't stingy, huh? How do you know it's sugar, you guys? Shout out to my boo. How do you know it's sugar? Sorry. This her favorite stuff. You ain't don't eat none of this until try it. Okay? Alright, y'all, so we're gonna go 2. Hold on, let me see. We're gonna go 3 teaspoons of sugar. Go ahead.
It looks like snow, and there's dirt under the snow, like real snow.
You ain't never been to the snow?
Yes, I have.
When?
When I was 3 years old or 4 years old. I don't know how old I was, but I remember when I was.
And what you was making?
a gingerbread house.
Okay, I want you to stir this up. So what you're gonna do now is hold on. Make sure you cut it.
Stir it up.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stir up the powder, and then we're gonna add like 1 pack of cocoa powder. 1 pack of hot chocolate. Go ahead and mix it up. So mix up the cocoa powder with the sugar, you guys.
The sugar.
To use majority real chocolate because it adds this deep, rich flavor, you guys. It's very good. It was really, we see that on TikTok.
The chocolate.
We did it last
Worry
Christmas.
about it,
was
sweetheart.
fire.
The chocolate.
Yeah, I got a recipe off TikTok.
The chocolate.
For homemade
it's
hot chocolate.
Still melting. Excuse me. Let me clean your mess up, girl. Putting the hot chocolate powder in with the cocoa powder, y'all, just because.
Wait,
I don't even know why we're doing that. I don't think she did that. I just think.
I definitely did not do that.
All right, y'all, the chocolate is almost ready. So once the chocolate is ready, what we're gonna do is put it in here. We're gonna mold it, then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, you guys are gonna take them out and we're gonna connect them.
Like put them in this one, this one, this one, this one. 5, 6,
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Hey.
Up high,
Hey.
up high, down low. In heaven. 6, 7.
They're gonna be like, y'all some damn losers now. All right, so we're gonna put this in the refrigerator. She finna get in the bath, y'all. We'll tap in with y'all in a minute. Peace.
You said?
We're gonna continue to take them out. Be gentle, okay, when you're pushing it. Right? That was a good idea, pushing it from the bottom, girl. You a smart little chicken.
That's one's mine. Like
There you go.
that.
Yeah.
Mine's
Good.
good.
These are heavy.
It is?
What are you doing?
Trying to eat it.
If you ain't, yeah, she ain't never seen before in her life.
You
No, I did.
You,
2 times.
I did do
Run it
that.
back.
There you
No, we gotta run it back though.
Okay. No.
Alright, let's be all right, so what we're gonna do is put some gloves on because some people like to lick their fingers.
And they scratch their butt.
Ugh. Here, watch your hand, boo.
That's not me.
Careful. Here, you want to switch back sides?
Yes, it is.
There you go.
Yes, that's
all right, but don't touch. Remember that? So we got it on like a low heat, you guys. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do, okay?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Let's see, boo. Okay, that's fine. That's good. That's good. Don't worry. We can clean up the mess. Okay. Oh, that's excellent.
That's it.
All right, boom. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the marshmallows, you guys.
She trying to copy you. How to sorbet.
Nah, but y'all missed all of them. And we're gonna put them up in there, y'all, all right? We don't wanna put too many, but we wanna make sure. I like marshmallows in my hot chocolate, boy. And these ain't them little ass ones. These some grown ones, you heard me?
Oh.
Then we're going to low-key just melt the top, you guys. Even it out.
Wait, bring that over because they can't even see it.
All right.
Why you need to put fire on there?
And then we're going to connect the dots.
Ah.
And it doesn't have to be perfect, you guys.
I don't even think you can see that.
Okay.
You probably should have melted some more. Melted some more.
Ah.
You didn't know how to do this, girl?
Oh, shoot. My bad.
You're making it even more shorter.
Yeah.
Princess.
Ooh, you know
here.
now. Her stomach is...
Go ahead, good job. Get it on there. Ooh. Chocolate bombs. All right, y'all, that's 3 of them, y'all. They're a little rough, but I bet you they bomb.
For everything.
Exactly. So what we doing with this one, I should have totally put it all on that side.
Girl, you need blood.
We're going to switch that over.
Can I eat that one?
You can't eat no more chocolate, no more candy, no more sweets at all, girl. You probably could have
Bruh,
some hot cocoa coffee, but you ain't eating no sweets
You
at
gotta
all.
be kidding me.
All right, y'all, we got the side. So what we're gonna do, we got the hot cocoa and the marshmallows inside the chocolate bomb, the chocolate shell. We're going to connect the dots. Boom. It's a little beat up, but look.
It's not seamless, but it works.
It's not flush, but it
spills.
spills. All right, y'all. It looks.
Oh, Marco, stop turning on the side.
You know what I should do?
What?
I should put the sides on the heat a little bit.
I was thinking that, but I was thinking more of like a
Don't
torch.
It's the Black Santa home, y'all, all right?
Can I put them all in there?
Yes. Be gentle, though, okay?
Okay.
Don't worry.
Okay, that scared the heck out of me.
Okay,
It
y'all.
was
Here
very
we
wet.
have the chocolate bombs. Oh, we gotta do a thumbnail. I'll take a
Oh
picture.
yeah,
need
smile,
some
go like this,
We're trying to get a thumbnail, y'all. Hold up.
and like put your arm like that, and Harley, you put that arm like that. Yeah, like do something. Y'all look boring. Harley, look at me.
We got a thumbnail.
Dusty.
It is Dusty. Press the hit button. Stop it. You just slide it.
We have to
Oh.
break a piece for Hallie,
Who was Hallie?
my elf.
Oh. Okay, you guys. So we have the warmed up milk.
That one.
We have the chocolate bombs.
Chocolate.
We have the
bar
cups. We have one for the elf.
on the shelf.
Then we got Black Santa. Shout out Santa. So what we're gonna do? Shout out. Put it in first afterward. You guys put it in
You gotta
first.
put the chocolate in first.
Look
then the
at the
bomb.
Santa
Yeah?
Claus.
I mean, put the
you
milk
guys,
in first. It's a bomb. You're supposed to drop it in.
I have this one, so I'm gonna drop it in.
Okay, not your love. Oop, it's bubbling.
I want a spoon like to stir it around.
Yeah, you're supposed to. But I think the milk needs to be a little hotter. Oh no, it's melting. I see it dissipating. Girl.
Thank you. That's working.
The chocolate is thick. Hey, let me see. Let me help you. Like, what were you doing?
Yeah, it doesn't even feel hot.
Well, you don't need it so hot, right? Okay, boom.
Harley, no.
We got it whipped. Now we finna add.
Can mine have
Whipped cream?
sprinkles?
Girl, you just want anything sweet, and we ain't budging.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
I want to move my gloves.
Take gloves off, you done.
How am I supposed to do it?
Push it. You just push this to the side. Like that. But make sure it's in the cup. There.
That's easy. Delicious.
See, this the bomb. It's a heart-shaped bomb. Drop it in there.
Okay.
That's it. Ooh. Explosion. I tell you, y'all can't see.
Harley is back. She's so bad.
Ooh.
Look at her drop.
All right, so she like hers, obviously. It's already halfway gone. As you can see, we have the marshmallows in there. We have the cocoa. Now we're gonna stir it up. Stir it up a little bit, y'all. Y'all see that? Look at that. Look at it, boy. Now that's rich and chocolatey right there. Hold on, let me pour this little stinking elf son. That be messing my house up. Boom.
Holly, here you go.
It's Vlogmas day 4. 'tis the season, boy. Peace.